guys, a lot of you have been requesting this for a long time now, and I thought it would be fun to show you my morning routine. It's nothing special, but I think it helps set me up for the day. So I like to start my day really early. That way I have time to just mentally prepare myself for the day, and I never feel rushed because of it. So once I'm up, I get my phone and just check in on emails and social media. I try not to spend a lot of time doing this during the day, so this is my time to just check in on the world. Once I get up, I always make my bed. I think this is so important for starting your day off on a productive note. I put on my workout clothes first thing because I love to get my workout in early. Before I head to the gym, I like to meditate. This is a great way to clear your head and face the day. I usually meditate for about 20 minutes, taking deep breaths, being as mindful as possible, and reaching a place of peace. Right away, before I do anything else, I like to take a shot of apple cider vinegar, raw vegan only. OMG, it is so good! I love the way it makes me feel. It has so many benefits, and it's super easy to drink, too. Next, I like to eat a light, nutritious breakfast. It's such an important meal, so take advantage of it. Then it's time to work out. Actually, I prefer to get work done first. I just don't like to know that I have that hanging over me during my workout. I'm most productive in the morning, so this is really the best time for me to get some work done. After a couple of productive hours, it's time to head out to the gym. But first, I'll grab a nutritious mid-morning snack to fuel my workout. Oh, I just remembered I have a visitor coming, so I really need to make sure the house is clean. And that's my morning. Don't worry, I will totally get to the gym this afternoon, but I'm only showing you my morning routine, but I promise I will, totally. Okay, bye.